How to install the Konica copier fuser driver after removing it for cleaning. Just look at this pile of parts to know how complicated it is. It is not recommended for beginners to try. First of all, this. There is a spring here, just hold it down. Then put these black wheels. Then put on this little gold ring. Put this again. Turn it to ensure smoothness. There are many gears here, so watch it immersively. This clutch is installed. Install another clutch. After installing these, add some gear oil. Just click and it will turn smoothly. Put the cover back. Screw on. Here is the shaft sleeve and buckle. Also on the following. The same operation is done here. Both sides knee. Then install the spring and buckle. Then put the small gear assembly on. Then put on the shaft sleeve and buckle and bend the retaining spring. This iron rod should also be oiled. Screw on. Add some oil to this one and install it. Screw the assembly on and it's done. Then put it back on the machine. Plug all the cables back in. Put two gears on the side door to put the belt up. Finally, turn on the machine and test if there is any problem. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Remember to like and follow.